Welcome to Meg's Motorcycle Journey, where we explore the world on two wheels. This channel will follow me on my journey to become a better rider and explore my love of all things motorcycles. Hi guys, so we have some very exciting news, and that is that we are partnering with First MFG to do a leather vest giveaway. We are giving away a men's leather vest. Any of their men's vest on their main page, leather vest, and I'll put the link in the description, are up for grabs. So what we will do is we will have the contest run from 1 week from today until next Sunday. You will have the opportunity, if you are subscribed to our page and also subscribe to First MFG's channel, to enter the contest. After you've subscribed to both, leave a comment on this video saying that you would like to be entered, and I will enter you into the drawing. I will also be running the contest on my Instagram page. You will need to be following my page as well as following First MFG's page. And you will need to tag a friend that is not already following the both of us. And then you will be entered into the giveaway. Next Sunday, I'll be making an announcement as to who the winner is and getting in touch with the winner in order to get them their free vest. So that's really exciting. Even if you don't win, I would really encourage you to check out First MFG's page. They have a ton of quality leather and other wear. I have a discount code, which is MMJ25, that enables you to get a discount for anything on their site that you would like to buy. So I encourage you to head on over, check it out, and use my discount code for a nice discount, even if you don't end up winning the vest. So stay tuned for a review on Cameraman's vest and how he liked it.
This is it. With the return label.
There we go. Yay!
There you go.
Is it a large?
I don't know yet. Yes, it is. Wow.
It's gonna match. I think that's gonna match that seat really well. But hold on, wait. Yeah, I was gonna say take it out of the bag, and then I'll get closer to it. Ooh, as I trip over my phone. Hold on. Ooh, that's nice.
Yeah, I like it a lot. It's so softer than I anticipated.
You would need the hazardous materials inside. Hold on. See, this is why I shouldn't be allowed to tape, because this video is going to be crappy. Does it fit better than the one, that huge one that you have?
Yeah, it's just the zipper's like halfway up. I'm not used to that. My zipper's down there.
Oh, yeah. Well, that one's old and huge. All right. That fits. It's nice. All right, y'all, we're gonna do, we'll do like a longer video because we are gonna be doing a vest giveaway. Hey guys, so today we have some exciting news. As many of you know, we partner with First MFG, and they very generously provided Cameraman with his vest. It matches his bike, so you guys that have seen our other videos know he's got this Saddleman seat with the green stitching, which turned out really cool, and also with the green pinstriping. Actually, when we're done with this vest review, I'll show you guys up close some of the stuff, because a bunch of you asked to see the bikes after the pinstriping. At any rate, we ordered this vest for him. It is a factory custom. It's really cool. It's called the Crysis, is what it's called, and it's got a lot of cool features.
It's got a zip out liner.
It's got the zip out liner. It has the pocket in there. If you have a wear and carry permit, you can put a firearm. It's got actually 2 of them,
It's got vents,
which is pretty neat. Those inside vents. So there is a print on the inside. Do you want to show them the liner? So that's pretty cool. So it's appropriate for Cameraman. Hazardous. This vest is also really cool, and I haven't seen this on any of the other ones, but it has this like alligator leather, which is neat. It has it in the pockets, and then it's got it down here on the trim. And it has an internal zipper, and then it also has the internal snaps, which is pretty cool. These, I think, Michael, do these pockets snap too? Those pockets also snap.
Same with my side pockets.
And then both the side pockets that have, yeah, I know. That'll be nice so things don't go flying out like in your old vest. Was your old vest a First MFG?
It was. I got that out in the place out there by Battlefield.
All the way around to get the back.
Somewhere out in Battlefield.
That was real old, though, and like an XXL, right?
4 years. That was XXL.
So this one's like a large. It fits you better. So wait a second. From behind, you have enough room to put patches on it still. Like you have this whole area that you can still put patches on it. And I think that this stitching's pretty cool. Hold on, wait. It turned out pretty neat.
The coolest thing about it is, like, when I ride, there's no flappage, you know?
Yeah.
So
with your old vest, that was an issue?
I feel like it was definitely... never knew it was an issue until I wore this.
So, we're going to do a giveaway. As y'all know, I also have the First MFG vest. It's this red vest that I did a review video on last winter. I custom designed this vest. So, it's the same as Cameraman's in that it has this zipper and it's got the snaps. I did all this custom, so if you guys watched that video, you saw I did the roses, the stitching, all of that. So it turned out pretty cool.
Sweet.
And again, just like Cameraman's, it has this wear and carry pocket on the inside if you want. It also has this kind of nice little cell phone pocket right there. Which is
and you got the stitching here on the side.
The like laces. Yeah. So,
very cool.
The really exciting news is that we're going to be doing a giveaway. So we're partnering with First MFG to give away a men's vest. So I will have the details in the description of this video. I will also be posting the contest on Instagram. So in order to be a winner, you need to either comment on this video that you're subscribed to both our channel and First MFG's channel, or you need to go to my Instagram page and there'll be instructions there, but you need to be following our page and First MFG's page and then tag a friend in the comments of that post. So if you guys are interested in winning a brand new vest, this is vest season.
I'd do it.
I think you guys will like it. We've both been really happy with ours. Michael, should I walk them through the bikes? Because they asked. So those of you that watched our Gettysburg video saw Dan Kite's pinstriping. So he did this pinstriping, which turned out really awesome. He freehanded that rose, and I think it's like beautiful. And then he put the MMJ for Meg's motorcycle journey. So everybody that wanted me to get something that incorporated
both sides,
the white from my seat, I went ahead and did that. Now, a bunch of you have said I should have got the tank pinstriped with white, but what I plan to do, Michael on this side, I think. What I plan to do is take this decal off and have it stenciled on by Sean Glass, who did my original paint job, and I'm going to add some white into the roses, and I'm going to have that on both sides of the tank. But we are waiting because Cameraman might also have some paint work done until after the primary riding season so that we can continue to go on riding adventures and tape things for y'all. And then Cameraman, like you mentioned, he's sort of doing the green theme, which is turning out really cool and very original. So he's got the Saddleman, and then when we were at Gettysburg Bike Week, he just wanted something subtle, so we got just these pinstripes. Sort of went along with the Harley paint job that the bike came with, but I think it turned out really cool. So anyways, guys, hopefully you'll participate in the giveaway, and I'm excited, and we'll certainly announce a winner here as well as on my Instagram.
When's the cutoff date? Do we know?
It's a week from, it's 1 full week from
the time we post the video,
which is Sunday.
Okay.
And then I wanted to mention one other thing. Sturgis is coming up. So many of you guys have asked if me and Cameraman are going to Sturgis. We're not going to be able to go this year. We have already taken so much time away from businesses and families and all sorts of other stuff, so we're doing a bunch of shorter trips. Sturgis would probably take us, it's probably going to take us close to 2 weeks to do Sturgis, so, because we are in Maryland, so we're all the way on the East Coast. But we would love to meet you guys, and we're sorry that we're not going to be able to get there this year.
Next year, for sure.
We are committed to being there next year, so we will definitely be there next year. But this awesome company, Sick Boys, which is actually out of South Dakota, Deadwood, South Dakota, sent us a bunch of really cool stuff, and I've posted some stuff on my Instagram page, and I will be posting a little bit more. But since Sturgis is coming up, they asked for me to give them a shout out, so I wanted to give them a shout out.
Yeah, buddy.
Anyways, guys, take care. Until next time, ride safe. So, guys, I hope that you will enter the contest and head over to my Instagram page and check out the information from there to enter the contest. You guys can also check out our Patreon channel if you're interested. I'll put the link in the description that has some outtakes from this ride. I'm also excited that we'll be doing another giveaway in just a couple of weeks for a different item. So stay tuned to our channel to learn about that. We have some other exciting footage to share with you guys. We took a trip to the eastern shore of the Bay Bridge, which we'll be sharing. And we did a fun little jet skiing day, so a different type of motorized vehicle. So both of those videos are forthcoming. And then most exciting is that we will be at Ocean City, Maryland, or Delmarva Bike Week in September. We are really excited. We'll be there Friday, Saturday, potentially some of Sunday. I will be doing a meet and greet at that event on Saturday. So I will continue to keep you guys updated with the details, because Cameraman, myself, our friend Doug, our friend John, potentially our friend Jason, that have all been in our videos, our friend Will and Allison may all be with us. So we all are very much looking forward to meeting a lot of you guys and checking out the music acts. It's a pretty exciting lineup of folks that will be performing there. So I am hopeful that we get to meet you guys and that we get to see some pretty cool stuff in our own home stomping grounds. The only larger bike rally, I would say, in our area, although Gettysburg, like we said, was not far away from us, but in Pennsylvania, and we're Maryland people. At any rate, guys, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Look back here on my channel and also my Instagram page next week for the giveaway winner. And until next time, ride safe. Don't forget to like and subscribe.